Hello, everyone, and welcome back. School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script. And the script is: Mornings are like nature in spring, humming with the sounds of life and the promise of a fresh new day. And every new day is a blessing from God. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Minakshi Chaudhary from class 8, standing here to present today's morning assembly. So let's welcome the day. Let's welcome 24 brand new hours and everything which is beautiful. And let's pause and praise God for every blessing God showers upon us and communicate with Him through prayer. So, everybody, join your hands, close your eyes, start prayer. And after prayer, let's pledge to apply our finest efforts to adhere our values, promote them and live by them in our day-to-day lives. Pledge our unwavering dedication to our shared goals and values that bind us together as a nation. For pledge, I invite on stage Vanshika from class 6. Thank you very much, Vanshika. Dear friends, a big wide world awaiting for us, and what we are learning today is getting us ready for it. Let's listen today's thought, which will help us to keep our dream for the future as a guiding star. And now I would like to invite Sambhav from class 8 to share today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sambhav. Thought of the day is: You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Thank you. Have a great day. And thank you very much, Sambhav, for sharing thought of the day. News helps us to understand what's happening around us and also allows us to form opinions, engage, and make informed decisions. In the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. So let's get know today's news headlines with Aman from class 8. And thank you very much, Aman, for sharing today's news headlines. Vocabulary improvement definitely improve our life. Let's expand our knowledge and vocabulary with word of the day. I invite on stage Veena from class 8 to share with us today's word. Good morning, everyone. My name is Veena. Word of the day is a face, which means to make something disappear or to remove something. Synonyms of efface are destroy and obliterate. Antonyms are build and improve. I'm using efface in a sentence. The whole country had tried to efface the memory of the old dictatorship. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you very much. A strong base of knowledge helps us when brains function more smoothly and effectively. We become more smarter with the power of knowledge and solve problems more easily. Do we have good general knowledge? Well, let's get enhanced and check our knowledge with today's GK quiz, and I invite on stage Reet from class 8 for GK quiz. Thank you very much, Reet, for checking and enhancing our knowledge. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Now, everybody get ready for National Anthem.